Barbara owns a photography studio in Seattle that specializes in wedding photography. After photographing her client's wedding, she went to transfer all the photos from her compact flashcards to her computer. Barbara then realized that one of the compact flashcards was not reading at all, no matter what device she put it in. And this card contained the pictures of the client's wedding ceremony. Oh no! Barbara knew that losing these pictures could mean the end of her positive reputation in the photography business. Barbara had to do whatever it took to preserve her client's most special day. A friend told Barbara about data analyzers. Barbara contacted data analyzers immediately to help with the recovery. Data analyzers turned out to be the right choice. Why? Within days, Data Analyzers was able to recover all the photos, and Barbara sure was happy and knew that her reputation would not be damaged. The best part was the client never knew there was an issue and received all their photos from the wedding ceremony as if nothing had happened at all. Barbara was a rock star in their eyes. If you have lost important files, call Data Analyzers for assistance at 866-456-DATA.